Elizabeth with Perry Piccola's Vlogs, and today we're going to be opening up my June Birchbox. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Considering that it's already the middle of June, which is just so unbelievable when you think about it, I'm just gonna go ahead and pretend that we're at a luau in the summer, and we'll look inside the box and see what we got this month. You gotta smile and have fun and enjoy life, right? Otherwise, like, it's no fun being serious, so might as well have fun. This is what's inside the box, and to go along with this, I already looked. Summer is here. So cute. So on the back it says, summer's here, it's time for a routine refresh. We picked products for the moment. It's hotter, sweatier, and you're outdoors more. Buy the full-size version in our shop. We know you're gonna love them. So let's see what they sent. I love this box. So cute. It's like a papaya. Yeah, I think that's what it is, a papaya. So really, really cute. I love the colors, and I just think it's so pretty. Let's see what they sent. This time it's a yellowish, yeah, it's yellow tissue paper. I almost thought it had a hint of green, but it's definitely just yellow. So the first item that I'm grabbing is this right here. And it is BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. So let's read it and see what that actually is. Okay, so it's by Bumble and Bumble. It says Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Protective Primer. The full size is actually $28, but this is, I do not think this is a full size, but it says this leave-in treatment defrizzes, detangles, and protects, leaving hair hydrated and smooth. Apply to clean, damp hair, then style as usual. I'm definitely going to be trying this. This says I'm actually really excited about this one. I definitely could always use a defrizzer and something to protect your hair, because I do still blow dry a lot. So, okay, item number 2. It looks like Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. I hope you can see that. Hold on. In a little bit of a different angle. Here we go. So let's see what this one is. Kiehl's, and this one says bestseller. Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. The full size is $24. It says made with exotic Brazilian clay from the mouth of the Amazon. The cleanser removes dirt and toxins without drying out skin. Okay, good. That's nice. I'm actually currently using a bunch of my my Dollar Tree Pond's cleansers that I love. I stocked up on them in May for Mother's Day, and I do have a really pretty petal cleanser that I just ordered from Winky Lux, but I'm always on the lookout for a good cleanser, so this will be great to have. Let's see. They gave 6 items, by the way, in this box, so it's item number 2. Now, item number 3 is right here. And this one is Benefit Cosmetics. I'll show you again, just in case. There we go. And it's another one that says bestseller. It says Gimme Brow and Tinted Volumizing Eyebrow Gel 3. It's a the full size is $24, and it says good brows can be a game changer. That's true. This tinted gel helps to fill in sparse spots for a natural looking fullness. Using the with short strokes, gently brush upwards from the inner edge outward. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this or maybe save it for a giveaway. Not sure yet on this one, but the first 2, definitely using this one, maybe for a gift basket or giveaway. We will see. Oh, I like this brand, pur-lisse. This is item number 4. Item number 4. Can we see it? There you go, pur-lisse. I have another one of these that I really, really like by this brand. So this is the matcha green tea and lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. Oh, nice. It says apply a thin layer of this brightening and exfoliating mask to cleanse skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Green tea, lemon, and white clay work to reveal your best skin yet. Okay, says that this item in its full size would be $35, and this is says the first time sampling this one. So this is their first time trying sampling out this one. Okay, so item number 5, a BB cream golden glow. And there we go, that one right there. And let's see. Oh, by Marcel. And it's a bestseller. It says BB Cream Golden Glow. The full size is $29. The BB Cream is a customer favorite for a reason. It's a true multitasker that gives skin a radiant glow while evening tone, controlling shine, and hydrating the skin. That's true. I do have a bunch of different types of these, but I always love trying them. I'm always on the lookout for a good one. So yeah, definitely interested in trying this. It's pretty cool. It looks like the last item, yeah, they gave, this is cool too. It's a shampoo and a conditioner by Oribe. And in the first Birchbox that I opened, I actually got a mousse by them, and I really, really loved it. I'm going to actually order the full size because it was just so good for my hair. It just did great. I just loved the way that it made it look, you know, it helped my curls, no frizz. It wasn't like a crunchy mousse. It was a really thin mousse. It smelled good, but it was long wear. So I'm actually really excited to try this. It's a shampoo and a conditioner by Oribe. And it says that it is the signature shampoo, a daily indulgence, and the signature conditioner. And it also says daily indulgence. So let's see what it says right here. Oribe shampoo and conditioner duo. It says full size is $46. I'm not sure if that's for both or for one. I'm assuming it might even be for one because that mousse is like $35. Oh my god. But it worked so well. It's worth it. I'm gonna try to wait for a sale or something like that, but I'm definitely gonna be getting that mousse. Let's get back to the shampoo. It says signature shampoo and conditioner duo. Upgrade your routine with this Luxe lychee extract infused shampoo and hydrating tangle fighting conditioner packed with macadamia nut seed oil that delivers antioxidants. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Okay, so very excited about this. So that concludes today's video where we opened up and looked at everything inside the June Birchbox. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you like the products. Let me know if there's any of these products that you've tried, what you think of them, or if there's any of them that you'd be interested in me reviewing for you. Like I said, I'm definitely excited about the shampoo. I love a good mask. I think that it was a really good box. I'm actually kind of really excited about what I got in this one. I'm totally excited to try this. I love this brand. And then the cleanser, this is pretty cool. I got a BB cream, I got a nice mask, and this, the hairdressers, hydrating invisible oil, very cool. And then the only one, like I said, that I'm on the fence about, that I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with yet, is this. Oh, I didn't even see this picture. So cute, look at that little picture. The Gimme Brow. So yet to be determined what we're going to do with this one, but that concludes today's video. So please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you know next time that I upload, and have a great day. I will see you all in the next one. And now I'm going to run a little montage with music so that you can get a close-up look of all the products and the descriptions of them. And have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!